In this video, I am going to show you how you can make restaurant style chicken chow mein. I will also add costing in the end so you can use it in your food business if you want. Let's list down the ingredients we need. Now let's make our sauce. Now thinly cut vegetables and chicken. Now in traditional chow mein recipes, egg noodles are used. Here I am using regular spaghettis. So what you can do is add a little turmeric powder in the boiling water so it gives a good eggy color to the noodles. When your spaghettis are done, hit it with the oil and set it aside. Heat the oil up and add the ginger garlic paste. Then add your chicken and cook it nicely. Now start adding your vegetables. Add hard vegetables at first so you don't overcook the other vegetables. Now add your spices like salt, black pepper. Here I am also adding a little pinch of sugar. It will act as a flavor enhancer. You won't taste the sweetness of it, but you will surely miss it. Now add your noodles. Don't overcook your vegetables. Add the mixture of the sauces and mix it well. And this is how you make the best restaurant style chicken chow mein. Now let's talk about costing. I used half spaghetti pack which cost me around 70 rupees. All vegetables was around 30 rupees. Combination of all the sauces was around 20 rupees. Boneless chicken cost me around 40 rupees. Dry spices was like 5 rupees. So in total this portion was about 170 rupees. Whereas it can be sold easily from 280 to 350 rupees.